Hello, everyone. It's Joanne from Coast to Coast with Joanne. Today, we are going to talk about a special day in Nicaragua. We are going to talk about Mother's Day. In many countries, Mother's Day is a time where you buy flowers, send a card, perhaps take your mom out for lunch. But in Nicaragua, Mother's Day is much more than that. In fact, it's one of the biggest holidays, celebrations in the entire year. Every year on May 30th, Nicaragua celebrates Dia de las Madres, or Mother's Day. Unlike in Canada and the US, where Mother's Day is celebrated on the second Sunday of May, Nicaragua celebrates it on the exact same date every year. And this isn't just a special occasion, it's actually a national holiday. Schools close, government offices close, some businesses close, and this is so that families can come together and celebrate. The tradition dates back to the 1940s and is generally credited to the past president Anastasio Somoza Garcia. The story most people say is that he chose May 30th because it was his mother-in-law's birthday. Now, some historians say that that is incorrect and that those details are misleading, but regardless of how the date was chosen, May 30th has become one of the most important holidays in Nicaragua. So what does Mother's Day look like here? First of all, families gather. I'm not just talking about mothers and their children. And I don't just mean immediate family. I'm talking about grandparents, aunts, uncles, mothers, children, grandchildren. Everyone seems to come together. Restaurants are packed, and if you're in San Juan del Sur around Mother's Day, don't expect to walk into your favorite restaurant without a reservation. Families fill the tables and celebrate together, often for hours. Flowers are everywhere and gifts are exchanged. The typical ones like perfume and clothing, sometimes household items, and other thoughtful presents are given. And then there are the cakes. Beautifully decorated cakes are a huge part of this celebration. If you've ever visited a bakery in the month of May in Nicaragua, you will know what I'm talking about. You will see elaborate Mother Day cakes on display everywhere. There are also concerts and cultural events and special promotions throughout the month. In fact, May is often called the month of mothers, or El Mes de las Madres. Not every celebration is festive, though. Some families take this occasion to visit cemeteries, to visit mothers that have already passed, and to remember them. So it's not just a day of celebration, it's also a day of remembrance. One thing that I've noticed as a foreigner living here, that mothers have a special status in Nicaragua. Every Nicaraguan woman I know has children, and motherhood is deeply woven into the culture. As a foreigner living here and who does not have children, I learned an interesting lesson. In my first few years here, people would wish me Happy Mother's Day, and naturally I would say, oh, I don't have children. And what usually followed was a lot of confusion and then really awkward silence. So now I've just learned my lesson. When somebody says, Feliz Dia de las Madres, I just say, gracias, y felicitaciones a usted. I would say, thank you, and Happy Mother's Day to you as well. Everyone smiles and the conversation continues, and nobody has to wonder what to say next. It's one of those small cultural details that I've learned after years of being here. So Mother's Day here just isn't about mothers. It's about family, respect, gratitude, tradition, and taking the time to celebrate the women who have shaped the family. And that's one of the many reasons why I love living here in Nicaragua. If you've experienced Mother's Day here in Nicaragua, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning a visit to Nicaragua, try to be here on May 30th and experience this tradition for yourself. See you on the next one.